Hi, it's Carla with Mama C's TV. Now I am cutting my hair once again, second video on trimming my hair. So just going right to it and showing you the mess up that I have got to fix. So as you saw there was one short side and the rest on top is long. So we're going to be getting rid of that and also giving myself an undercut, which is then a undercut, Pixie undercut? Yeah, anyway. So, getting right to it, I am going to try to blend my left side with the top and making it asymmetrical. Also going to make it choppy looking instead of chunky, because chunky is bad. So yeah, take off some weight as well and get some volume in there. Okay, so I did speed up my video just to like help with the duration of the video and just getting right down to the point here. I can see that. Look at that terrible level of hair there. Whew. Different lengths. So that's why I'm blending it. I am going at an angle here, so nothing's cut straight on. So yeah, that's wow. Working my way from the back to the front. Now I'm not taking off too much length. I'm just taking out the thickness and just a wee bit of length. That's it, just to kind of fix it up a bit. And yeah. Alright, I do this for a while. I just go over, comb up, just to check and make sure I didn't leave anything out. Now I've crammed in this 12 to 13 minute video about an hour and a half worth of hair cutting. I was cutting slow and I was double checking all the time just to make sure I was doing it right. And I have to mention, I am not a professional. I am not trained whatsoever. This is just a do-it-yourself at home, COVID-19 haircut at home. I've also got 2 kids and live in a small town. So it makes it hard for me to just get up and go to a hair salon. So, taking matters into my own hands once again. Now mind you, I am nervous throughout the whole video. Nervous, but I've got that wee bit of confidence just to keep going. And here with the front, so I'm pushing it all forward. It's kind of like the way I like to style it when it's, washed and a bit dry. So I'm just going to clean up the sides where it comes toward my face. I'm just cutting the hair there a bit. Being very careful not to cut myself, of course. Just want a nice clean trim over the eyebrow, around, and to the other side. Try not to cut or poke my eyeball. There we go. I am just memorizing stuff I've seen my hairdressers do before. So I'm just going off memory and just cleaning it up at the front a little bit, not taking too much because you never want to mess up your own bangs. Little by little, it goes a long way. So we're satisfied with the bang cut. Whoa, getting close to my eye. Alright, and I'm checking the weight above here. And the choppiness, which I'm happy about. Alright, and I've got the thinning scissors. I've never used thinning scissors before. This is my first time using them. So yeah, I was nervous. came in wrong the very first cut there, but then I went like this. I'll show again. I don't know how to describe that technique, but that's the way it came in. And I felt comfortable with that. I also saw a hairdresser do that before, so I like that. Doesn't take off too much, just thins it nicely. All right, good. Took off some of the weight. Taking off more apparently. So since my haircut is asymmetrical, I did want to focus on that side more than the other side. And here I'm going with the undercut underneath just because I find it easier to kind of grow out my hair this way. Not that I'm trying to grow out my hair fully, but I want the top of my hair to be a little longer than my back. I had a cut like that before. I messed it up big time, and I cut it way too short at the back, so I had to kind of blend it all over. So that's why I messed up, and that's why I was so uneven, the left side being way shorter than the top and the right side. Make sure I'm blending really nicely here, as much as I can see. Alright, at this point here I'm going to blend, use the clippers and go downward at the back of my head. And thin it out just a bit. When it comes to cutting your hair, I always believe in having just, not too much confidence. Too much confidence can be dangerous. So just be careful. Again, I'm not trained and I'm not a professional hairstylist. Going down and up every which way just to make sure I blend it nicely. And that was a number 3, if you didn't catch that. A number 3 guard. I will do the same thing with the other side. Number 3 guard here as well. Excuse me. I will be blending that down just a bit too. So kind of just going downward with the clippers. That's still a number 3 guard. And just going upward. And downward. Alright, now just checking it out before I do a number 2. Oh yes, there was a long piece here that I just wanted to take care of before I carry it on. There it is, right there. Yep, cut it. Awesome. All right, number 2. It always feels safe just going downward. That way I'm not going up against anything too much. I will eventually, but not as high. See, not as high. Oh, I hate my neckline. The hairline. Ugh. Terrible. But I work with what I have. Alright, and number 1. And just cleaning up the back of my head. Just blending, blending, blending. Okay. We're almost done with that. Almost. I spent a lot of time back there apparently. Okay, here we are just brushing off the hair I cut off and cleaning up around the ears with no guard. Brave, brave, brave. Right after this, I'm pretty much done. Being very careful not to cut myself. All right, here we go. Boom. And there we go. I am happy with my cut. It is nice and choppy. It is blended and there's lots of volume. Yeah. There we go. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to Mama Sees TV for more, possibly. And with that, I would like to say, stay safe and healthy, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.